Hello, my name is Simona. I'm crochet designer, and right here I have my crochet project, and I will show you today how to join two ends of polyester cord. I will make one more stitch like this, and you can see now the cord ended. Doing like this? Really not. Doesn't look nice, and I do not want it to look like this. What I will do, I will burn the ends with a lighter and join them like this. Before doing that, I will take scissors, cut both ends of the cord to be them nice. I will take a lighter, burn one end, another end nicely, and until it's hot, join them like this. Just like this. You can do that with polyester cords. You can see how nice the joining is, and it's really good. Let's crochet with this joining. When crocheting it, leave the joining. You can see the joining is right here. It's also not visible in the bad side, and from the good side it's not visible at all, so you can make as many joinings as you want. As an example, I have also here another type of cord, also polyester. It's thinner, and I will show you that you can join this cord perfectly using this method too. So these are the two ends. I'm taking the lighter, burning one end, another end, joining them like this. Be careful, it's hot. And here you go, you have nice joining, and you can crochet it perfectly. If you have any questions, please let me know below in the comments. Also, I'm inviting you to watch my other video tutorials how I am crocheting step-by-step crochet patterns, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.